In today's video, let's learn how to adjust playback speed in the Podimo platform. Welcome back to a new tutorial video on how Genic. If you want a slower or a faster speed on your podcast or audiobooks on the Podimo platform, let me show you how it's done. Let's head over to the app of Podimo and open up any episode of the podcast or the audiobook that you're listening to. Once you're inside of this player, you'll be able to see the speed controller on the left hand side. On this panel down here, you on the left hand side, you'll be able to see by default 1x will be selected. If you tap on it, you can either decrease or increase the speed of your podcast. So once you set a playback speed, you can play the podcast.
Welcome to the Sega Summerfest on
And the speed will be increased or decreased based upon the settings that you selected.
Dreamcast Junkyard Dream.
So that was a quick tutorial on the way that you adjust the playback speed in the Podimo app. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.